Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the presentation video for our final year project. It is our absolute pleasure to be able to present today. Hi, my name is Tasnim Rafia and my project partner is Tanveer Mahmood Hasan. We are about to describe our project accordingly. Our project title is The Effects of COVID-19 in Global Warming through the application of data science, which is a research-based project. Now, let's begin with an overall abstract. We all know that global warming is a constant alarming concern. Right at this moment, COVID-19 is a new addition that is disturbing our everyday life. Both of these are equally important. We cannot avoid one while the other one is taking place. However, relating these two issues will lead us to rectify whether COVID-19 pandemic has any contribution in global warming. We have inspired by Sustainable Development Goals 7 and 13, which are affordable and clean energy as well as climate action, to investigate the scale of climate change specifically in a few Asian regions before and after COVID-19 pandemic through data science process. In this case, we have used some contemporary temperature and nitrogen emission datasets of 2018 to 2021. We have analyzed these datasets using machine learning algorithm. Also, we have predicted the next year temperature in those places. However, the analysis says that the average temperature has roughly come down from 25.5 degrees Celsius to around 24 degrees Celsius over this time. Also, a surprising fact that we have noticed is a detectable change in nitrogen emission. Therefore, we suppose that the pandemic is positively affecting global warming. In future, we have planned to take possible smallest region under consideration. We also aim to manage dataset with an improved algorithm for better accuracy.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tanveer Mahmood Hasan. So let's continue with problem statement. COVID-19 has restricted human lifestyle, leading to shut down many industries, less electricity, and reduced motor vehicle uses, resulting lower greenhouse gas emissions, along with a start of healing ozone layer. Investigation uncovered a free wildlife during pandemic that inspired to inspect the matter thoroughly. The research will find the effect of COVID-19 in global warming in different geographical spots with a possible prediction. Pursuing whether COVID-19 pandemic is affecting global warming will assist a new research to discover the major catalyst of climate changes, with unexplored gateway to minimize the global warming. So, our research objective is, does COVID-19 outbreak have a positive impact on global warming? And our hypothesis is, it is logically assumed that COVID-19 pandemic does affect global warming.
Well, we have some research objectives. We have found and analyzed the features those are important influencers of global warming by collecting real-time datasets. We demonstrated the findings and distinctions with proper scrutiny to assume the consequence correctly. Lastly, we had to discover the best forecasting model for prediction purpose. Our research is significant. It determines whether COVID is influencing global warming, considering the outcome of dataset inspection. It discovered several facts which are influencing climate change directly or incidentally. It motivates the fact that global warming should be settled to its utmost possibility. It encourages more research to expose the contributor of the vast climate change with unexplored solutions with a bright hope that will minimize the crucial global warming.
So now it's time to move on to our methodology. For the research, we followed the standard data science lifecycle. We have applied various visualization libraries such as Basemap, Matplotlib, Plotly, and so on. After obtaining the necessary dataset, we have collected our dataset from various data portals such as NASA website, Earth data website, and ISOS data portal. So most of our dataset come with the CSV file. But for the nitrogen dioxide dataset, it's come with the netcdf file. So we have to convert the netcdf to 2D base map. So environment setup. The dataset to be utilized are the first reviewed, and if required cleansed. Several data cleaning procedures are used to guarantee that the dataset are suitable for testing. The following graphic depicts the data cleaning procedure that are performed using the Google Colab. For data cleaning process, we did several steps, such as we remove the missing values, unwanted column, drop the unwanted column, change the format of date. In data evaluation process, we split our data into 7.5 into 2.5 ratios. So we took test data as 25% and trained data as 75%. So now comes to performance measurement. R2 square, MSC, MAE are a few of the metrics we utilized to assess the algorithm overall performance. In an attempt to improve accuracy, we experiment with the several parameters, but the results are unsatisfactory. To minimize overfitting, we concentrate more on data argumentations, which allow us to build a more reliable prediction.
Basically, we have explored the data of before and after COVID situation. However, we have some interesting results. The temperature has reduced over the whole epidemic. We researched then more about it. Then we found most of the industries were closed during the lockdown. That inspires less industrial emission. And people avoided going out every now and then, which technically indicates less usage of more vehicles. Now, to talk about the nitrogen emission. China has extensive change that says clearly about a remarkable less nitrogen emission. Same goes for Malaysia as well. After considering all the facts in our hand, we have reached to a conclusion that is, COVID-19 has a positive impact in global warming.
So, our future work will be, we plan to predict the temperature of the whole world for the next 4 to 5 years, and we also aim to look for the assumptions of greenhouse gas emissions of mentioned geographical region, and we will try to use our machine learning algorithm with different way, which will be fitted most to our model, and we will give the better accuracy with a better prediction. As an extension, we intend to discover the nearest region as well as the gateway of less emission, thus less climate changes. Thank you everyone, thank you so much for listening.